Good morning, everyone. This is Curtis Fillers, and the video I'm going to do today is actually going to be targeted toward my friends and the people I know and all the people of the country of India. But actually, if you watch this video, it actually is for any country, anywhere. But like I said, today it's going to be for India. But let me get this straight first. The video is going to be about how to have your own CBD oil business. And right now, it's the United States and Europe is the only place you can actually do this from, meaning selling the CBD oil itself. You can be a part of this company, but there's two sides to it. One side is, if you look here on the screen, let me sign in here to the website. There's two sides to it, and if you're in any country other than the United States or Europe at this moment, that's going to change very soon, where over time all of these countries are going to be able to do this. It's just a matter of time. You're going to do this. See, here's the Hempworx side. This is the CBD oil side of the company. Also, part of it is the sprays. If you're in a country other than Europe or the United States, you can join this company. And as of right now, the only thing you can buy are the sprays. And these are awesome sprays. Absolutely awesome. You can get these same packages in the sprays that we would get if you were on the CBD oil side of it. So what's going to happen if you're in India, you can join this company, and we want you to join this company because this is getting ready to explode over to here shortly. It already has exploded here in the United States. But what you want to do is you want to get on the front end of this and take the ride, because if you look here, I pulled up Google Trends, a 5-year look at this. This goes back to 2014 of July, and look how it moves. And then right about here is where our company started. I think it was 2017, somewhere in here, and it really explodes at this point up until April or May here. This is in 2019 right here, May of 2019, how that's just grown. And like I said, you want to get on this, I'm telling you. And if you can be in front of this, you're going to take a great ride here, because we're already taking a ride here in the United States. But you join, get the sprays, and then what can happen is almost 90% of this is done online. We do all of our marketing. I do all of mine on Facebook, YouTube, just talking to people that you pass in general, but most of it's online. So what you would do is you can get your sprays, but you could be in India and you can sell any of this. You could go online and market your stuff and sell this product here, Hempworx, the CBD oil itself, to people that's in the United States or Europe, just like I'm doing right now to the people of India. I'm in the United States, but I'm selling to the people of India. I'm selling to people all over the world. So, but once this passes in your country, you yourself would be able to get the CBD oil. So up until that point, you can just work with the sprays, but sell any of it. So what this is the dashboard of our company. The name of the company is My Daily Choice. That's the parent company. And the other part of the company is Hempworx. That's the CBD oil part of it. And we also have a travel part of the company. You can see all over here on the left side. This is all the stuff you're going to get. And this, you'll have the same looking back office right here. This will all look just like yours right here. You'll get your own websites, and whatever username you pick will be on the end, just like you see here on the screen. This is probably one of the best marketing systems I've ever seen with a network marketing company, and I've been in a few. You get all of these same websites, and see, here's the websites for sprays. You can market this, like I said, but if you're in that country, you can still sell any of this. as long as someone's in a country that can buy it. All of this is what you'll get also right here. Now, the other thing is, if you join with me or anyone that's on the power team, there's a group in the Hempworx company. We're the power team. As far as I'm concerned, we're the best. But if you join with me, this is what you'll also get free of charge. This is another marketing system we use. So both of these are tied together. So you only going to be on the power team is you'll get this. If you're not on the power team, you will not get this. So let me show you on the inside what this looks like. I mean, the other one is one of the greatest marketing systems I've seen. And this one here tops that one, actually. So when I sign in, now I'm an executive. What will happen is when you sign in, you'll see your rank right here. When you come in, you want to at least be a builder. At least be a builder so you can make money, good money with this. But here's where you really start making the money. It's builder, it's director, and executive. But just come in as a builder if that's all you can do. If that's the best you can do, that's the best you can do. But what you at least want to do is get in here, get on the team, and start building your team, like I said, to get ready for this ride that you're going to take. Now over here, you're going to have links. I'm going to show you how great this is. All right. These are join pages right here. Right here. So right here it says get your link. You click get your link, and it's already set up for you guys. It doesn't get much better than this. So let's say you're going to do a group in Facebook or something. So what you would do is hit copy link, and then you'd post that link in Facebook. Let me just give you an idea how that looks real quick. I'll go to my Facebook. You can just take that link, post it there, let it build up, bam. And then what you want to do is erase that. And then you could type something in there if you'd like, and then hit share, and it goes onto your Facebook. Now, I'm not going to do it right now, but here's what happens when someone clicks that image. They don't even know they're really clicking your link. And what they're going to do is I will show you what that looks like here. If they would have clicked that link, this is what they would have got right here. They would have got the sign up page. Okay, that's what that looks like. They'll get that. There's a video here to watch right here. And see, they don't really know they just thought they were clicking on an article or something. Now the other ones are, you go in here, let's go to another one. There's upgrade pages here, links. You can send to someone that's already pre-enrolled. Here we have rap videos. These are absolutely excellent. Someone clicks on this. At that point, they're cookied to you at that point. And then they'll see where they can, they'll see a place where they can take a free tour. And once they take that free tour, they're pre-enrolled under you. And here we go some more. All these have links. These are educational videos that you can share, and they're actually, if you post them places, they look like articles, which they actually are. They're video articles, but once you post that, I'll post this one here and show you what it looks like. I'll just do a custom one. You post that somewhere, someone reads it, here's what they will see. And here's what they'll be able to do once they watch the video. And I'll start playing it. He's actually interviewing Dale Earnhardt Jr. here.
Did you ever watch the CBD at all? CBD. You don't know what that is? No. Interesting. CBD.
Okay, that's just an idea of what it's like. Now, what somebody will do, they'll listen to that video, and right here's a little bit of wording, and then it says right here in this box, click here for a free tour of our turnkey CBD marketing system. Someone clicks that, they go straight to your website that you just saw, and if they go in, they're pre-enrolled under you. And it's just the excellent marketing system, the best I've seen, both of them, between both. Like I said, they're both tied together. All right, let's go back to a couple more here I'm going to show you real quick. And here we got live streams that we've done, like hangouts. Every week, this changes. These couple of these stay the same, but down here at the bottom, this is the weekly one. It will change every week, and the link will get updated, and you can share the hangout. People watch the hangout, click that little box below, and they go inside. They're pre-enrolled under you. That simple. And over here, and then here we got training. Plenty of training. All these videos here are training. This is updated all the time. Mastermind, executive rotator. I'll tell you about that in another video. Leaderboard. Here's the statistics. Those links that you send out, what happens are it keeps a count of how many people's clicked it. If someone took a free tour, that's considered a lead. And then if someone went ahead and joined, that's considered a sale. And see how this keeps track of all that? I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. All these clicks and no leads and no sales, it gives you all that right in here. And then you click on this, it shows you your team. On the My Daily Choice site, up here you get your genealogy. It shows all the people. This thing's running really slow because I'm running this software, guys. I'm sorry about that. But I'm going to end this video here in just a second. But right here, like I see, here's me, and here's people under me. And there's people under me, guys. I don't know most of these people. I have no clue who they are. And it just keeps going and going and going. See, down here, this is level 43. There's someone down here. And see, what it is, with this company, you get spillover from people above you. And we have some big marketers on our team. And I get daily spillover from these people. Level 42, 43. That's just over here on the left side. These are people. It just goes on and on. And then I'm going to show you the right side real quick. This is just one side of the right side. So there's level 24. This guy got in yesterday under me. See right there? He found something on YouTube from me. That's my enroller ID there. That was Saturday. They just falling in all the time, guys. And right here, I think it was Saturday. Today's Monday. Well, not Saturday. This number right here was a 4. And it's a 24 today. And there's a 19. These are pre-enrollees. I mean, they're just rolling in now. And when all these other countries get involved, they're already involved. But once the CBD oil gets released to these countries, it's just going to explode even more. And you can make a ton of money. So I hope you guys got something out of this video. If you got value out of this, if you would just hit the like button. And if you would subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. And like I said, this is for anyone in any country, but this was mainly today for the people of India to get involved. And anything that I can do for you, let me know. In the video, below this video, in the description, I'm going to have links to join. I'm going to have links just to buy the oil itself. If you don't just want to be a customer, that's fine. I'm going to have links to my Facebook and my Instagram. And if you would, just contact me on Facebook, send me a message, follow me, add me as a friend and send me a message, and we can connect that way. But I'm here to help you. I want to see you get on our team and ride this wave like we're riding it here. So hope you all have a great day, evening, wherever you are in the world. And I appreciate you watching the video. Take care, everyone.